So, hello everyone, welcome to our presentation. We are Group Warriors, and today we'll be showing you our project, a manga reader app prototype made in Figma. This app was designed to help people read manga online more easily and comfortably.
First, what is manga? Manga is a kind of comic or graphic novel that comes from Japan. It includes many types of stories, action, romance, comedy, and more. It, People all over the world love reading manga. Today, many people read manga online, but not all manga apps are easy to use. Some are hard to navigate, others don't support people who need accessibility tools like screen readers or larger text.
Our goal was to design a simple, plain, and inclusive manga reader, an app that works for everyone. We wanted something that looks good, is fun to use, and is also helpful for users with different needs. So we focused on three main things. Number one is good design that is easy to understand and use. Number two is accessibility, features that support all users. Number three is user experience that that includes smooth reading, clear buttons, and simple navigations.
So, let us introduce ourselves. So, my name is Aaron Gionabia.
And my name is Francis Andres C. Vega.
And my name is Reggie Noguera.
Each of us helped design the screens and shared ideas. You can see our names on every screens of the prototype to show who worked on this project. We collaborate to make sure the design is clear, helpful, and creative.
For this project, we use Figma, a tool that helps people design apps and websites. With Figma, we could create screens, link, buttons, and show how a user would move from one page to another. We also use Figma's interactive tools like buttons that work when clicked and settings for mobile and desktop versions. This helps us build a working prototype, not just a pictures of screens.
Let's start with the landing page. This is the first screen users see. It has a welcoming message and two big buttons, one for login and one for sign up. We made the buttons big and easy to read so that anyone, even someone using a screen reader or with vision problems, can use them. The colors have strong contrast, for example, dark text on a light background to help users who have trouble seeing certain colors.
Next, we have the login and sign up pages. These screens are simple. There are only a few fields like email and password, so it's not overwhelming. We made sure that all text boxes are labeled clearly, that users can use keyboard to move between them. This is helpful for people who don't use a mouse or who use screen reader tools.
After logging in, users go to the home page. This screen shows different sections like trading manga, favorite manga. So each manga is shown as a picture with a title. We added alt text behind the images, which helps screen readers describe what each picture is. Users can also easily go back or open other pages from the menu.
Go.
When a user clicks on a manga, they see the manga detail page. This screen shows a big image of the cover, a short summary of the story, and a list of chapters. The page is clean and organized, and all the text is large enough to read, and we made sure the design is not too crowded, so it's easy on the eyes.
This is one of the most important parts, the manga reader screen. This is where users read the manga page by page. We added navigation buttons on the left and right so users can flip through pages easily. There's also a dark mode, which helps people read comfortably at night or in low light. Users can also zoom in and out on manga pages. This helps people who need to see the art or text more clearly.
Last, we have a setting screen. Here, users can choose what's best for them. They can switch between light mode and dark mode. These options make the app more personal and helpful for users with different needs and preferences.
Accessibility was very important in this project. We wanted the app to be easy for everyone to use, not just people with perfect visions or fast devices. Some features we included: large buttons and clear text, high color contrast, screen reader support, alt text for all images, adjustable font sizes. These features make the app more usable for people with visual, hearing, or physical disabilities.
While working on this project, we faced some challenges. One challenge was designing for both mobile and desktop. We had to make sure the screens looked good and worked well on small and large devices. Another challenge was learning how to make everything accessible. We had to reach best practices for colors, fonts, and navigations to support all users.
We learned a lot from this project. First, we learned how important it is to design for all users, not just the average users. Accessibility it is something you add at the end. It needs to be part of the design from the beginning. We also learned more about using Figma, how to build interactive screens, test ideas, and fix problems as a teams. And we learned how to give each other feedback and improve together.
That brings us to the end of our presentation. Thank you so much for your time and attention.
We hope you enjoyed our prototype and our explanation. If you'd like to try and design yourself, you can use the Figma link we shared.
Thank you again from all of us. We are Group Warriors and we appreciate your support.